All right, so today is 11.4. We're working on two-dimensional shapes. What shapes can you name just by knowing the number of sides and vertices? So our vocabulary, vertices, is very important. I'm going to underline vertices in the directions. We'll talk about more of that while we are working today. So we're going to use a ruler. I don't even have a ruler at my house, so we're just going to draw as best straight lines as we can without a ruler. Draw a shape with 3 straight sides. Okay? So go ahead, and I want you to draw a shape with 3 straight sides. Yours can look very different than mine. Draw another one. I could draw this side straight, this side straight, and the third side is straight. If I have a shape with 3 straight sides, what shapes do you make? You can shout, you can unmute yourselves.
Triangle.
Thank you. A triangle. If you could please, oh, I'm sorry, I should have written it straighter. Try that again. Thank you for the participation, Luke. Great job. Yep, a triangle. So this is not a 3-dimensional shape. This is a flat 2-dimensional one. Does anyone know the name of the 3-dimensional shape that has triangles and a square base? What is the name of that 3D shape? Go ahead, you can shout it out, love bugs.
Pyramid.
A pyramid, right, exactly, a pyramid. Is that triangular, but it has a square at the bottom. So on the blue part, which is the blue second one, I'll lower it down. It says, draw a shape with 4 straight sides. So there's actually a few things. If it's equidistant, so 3 dots, 3 dots, 3 dots, 3 dots, all 4 sides are the same length. They're all 4 the same. I could also draw this as a straight side, this is a straight side, and straight. Ooh, sorry. I tried to draw straight. Now, both of these shapes have 4 straight sides. These 2 parallel lines are long. These 2 parallel lines are shorter. What is the name of this shape in the corner? This one with 4 sides, what is that called?
Square.
You probably learned this back in kinder. Maybe even preschool, square. And this one, the longer one with the
Rectangle.
rectangle, yep. These are not shapes. These are flat 2-dimensional shapes. I am writing the label for you to help out. So a rectangle. Now, if I made this a 3-dimensional shape, what would that be, the rectangle? What is that called? What is it called?
Rectangular prism.
That's right, a rectangular prism. You learned that probably back in 1st grade, maybe. And a square, if I made that a 3-dimensional shape where all sides are the same, what is the 3D shape of a square called?
Cube.
Cube. Thanks, Blake, for drinking your coffee this morning. Yes, exactly. So those are the 3-dimensional, but today we're talking just about sides. We know they told us how many sides. Now, I'd like for you to go ahead and circle the corners. So a lot of times we call them the corners because they're two lines that are coming together. But in math, the mathematical word for it is vertices. Yeah, so he is doing a great job. So the corners or the vertices. There are some shapes that don't have vertices because they do not have a point. But our triangle, rectangle, and square all have vertices or points to come to. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and turn the page on 11.4. You can count the sides and vertices to name two-dimensional shapes. Look at how many sides and vertices each shape has. A side is straight, a vertice is just that point. We know that a triangle has 1, 2, 3 sides and 1, 2, 3 vertices. Now they highlighted some of these words. Quadrilateral, say that with me. Good job. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. But it also has to have these 4 points, which are called our vertices. A pentagon, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it has the corners, 5 vertices. A hexagon, how many sides does a hexagon have?
6.
Good job. And how many vertices?
6.
Yeah, exactly. So what you're doing is they are labeling the different names of the shapes. So triangle, hexagon, pentagon. You are labeling the sides and the number of vertices. Right here in the corner, this green square is our vocabulary of all the different shapes. It says on your own. So please do this page on your own. Is 11.4. And on the back is also 11.4. On your Think Central app, you have your Math on the Spot video, so make sure you're watching that and your interactive math trainer to help you.